Congress has decided to vote against scientific studies into medicinal marijuana. As you know, on a federal level, marijuana continues to be a Scheduled I substance, which indicates that it has no medicinal value whatsoever. Well, some members of Congress wanted to change that by studying the potential benefits of marijuana so individuals can use that as an option as opposed to opioids. Now, heroin addiction is a huge problem in the United States right now as a result of individuals getting addicted to opioids or painkillers and then moving on to heroin. And so even though it would be beneficial for Americans to have this option, or it would be beneficial to at least study this and reclassify marijuana, Congress has decided to vote against it. Earlier this week, the U.S. House Rules Committee voted against two proposed amendments that would have required a special pain management task force to consider how weed might be used as an alternative or in conjunction with prescription painkillers. Both amendments, submitted by Representatives Dana Rohrabacher and Jared Polis, would have given Uncle Sam's new painkiller detail a crew consisting of various federal drug and health agencies the opportunity to look into the potential for marijuana to serve as an alternative to opioids for pain management, as well as conduct research that compares the medical application of marijuana and opioids for pain management. Now, it didn't work out. According to Mashable, the Rules Committee decided against allowing the two amendments to advance to the House floor. The congressional panel also rejected a third amendment that would have prevented CBD, which is the non-psychoactive, non-intoxicating compound of the cannabis plant, from being treated as a controlled substance. That's the country we live in, okay?
It's amazing that you can just pretty much do whatever you want. And like during elections, they'll run ads and they'll point out votes that you supposedly made that often don't even end up to have been the votes that they're claimed to be, that you didn't support this or that you oppose that. But like you can fit in as a congressman hundreds of votes like this that people will never hear about, you'll never be responsible for, and yet have incredibly negative effects. And so if you are suffering from some sort of chronic pain condition and you end up getting addicted to opioids, and it turns out that you didn't have to because theoretically we could have generated some sort of medicine out of cannabis that could have treated that, you will never know the dickbag Republicans that made your life the crap that it becomes. But they just are out there, and they've had control for years and years now, and they've set up the system so that we can't get them out, and they can just crank out bullshit votes like this day after day.
Yeah, and honestly, this was an underreported story. I haven't seen very many sources report on it. I just happened to come across a Mashable article about it last night, and I thought it was so egregious that I had to share it with the audience. But understand what's happening right here. It wasn't a suggestion to legalize marijuana on a federal level. This was simply a suggestion to study marijuana and the potential of helping individuals who are suffering from pain, so they don't get addicted to opioids and they don't end up getting addicted to heroin because they get cut off from prescription painkillers. And so why is this happening? I mean, as you guys know, we have a corrupt political system. You have certain corporations behind the scenes that dictate the way these politicians vote. And so the pharmaceutical companies are extremely powerful in the United States. And that's the reason why we pay so much more for prescription drugs than any other country in the world. And that's the reason why marijuana continues to be a Schedule I drug, even though we now have 4 states in the U.S. that have legalized it, not only for medicinal use, but also for recreational use. Now, did the country explode as a result of that? Did terrible things happen? No, it led to more tax revenue for these states, and they're now using it to fund their education or other programs within their state.
Helping out the homeless in some of the major cities.
Exactly. So understand, your representatives are not representing you. They're representing major corporations. And when you have a politician like Bernie Sanders speaking out against it, it's incredibly important because we need that to be spread so people are informed and they make the right decisions about their representatives and they're responsible members of this democratic process. But unfortunately, that is now being hindered by the fact that we're distracted with accusations of violence by the Clinton campaign.
We have to, our only hope at this point is that one of those little startups, the little dispensaries in Colorado, starts selling so much that they become a massive corporation and start buying politicians. That's like the only way in the current system that we can actually get legal weed across the entire country. Because as you said, not only is it generating tons of money, But there was also the fears that it would lead to kids doing it. Turns out that didn't actually happen. That it was going to drive people mad and they were going to go around attacking each other. And all they can point to is a guy who claims that 2 years ago he had an edible and so he killed his wife. In the meantime, how many people have gotten drunk and killed their family members? In Colorado alone, I don't know, probably quite a few. And yet that is enough that people in those reports of that guy are saying, well, this puts to question their continued policy of recreational marijuana. No, moron, you did because you wrote the article.
I know, it's beyond frustrating. And I guess it's personal story day, but this is a topic that's, personal to me because, when my mom needed pain medication for a surgery that she had, marijuana wasn't an option, and it impacted her tremendously. She had something known as a fistula done. Fistula is basically preparing someone for dialysis because your kidneys aren't functioning and they have to connect you to a machine that filters your blood, much like your kidney does. After you have that procedure done, you're in pain, and so you have to take pain medications so you're not suffering. Now, the pain medication that they gave to her hurts your kidneys. And the doctor told me that.
Seems ironic.
Yeah, the doctor was like, hey, so these painkillers, they gave her Norco, is going to lower your mom's kidney function. So she should only take it if she absolutely needs it. Now, my mom was in a tremendous amount of pain, so of course she had to take it.
Because of her kidneys.
Because of her kidneys. And I was like,
Seems
well,
weird.
Is marijuana an option? Because I know that definitely helps. And no, they would have taken her off the kidney waiting list if she had taken an illicit drug, which marijuana is considered an illicit drug. So just think about how backwards that is. How many people suffer as a result of this backwards thinking?
Yeah, by the way, I mean, to go back to the marijuana or even to the magic mushrooms that we were talking about, like the idea is that theoretically maybe if we were able to research it, well, they could have some kind of negative reaction to the body, some kind of side effect. But when you start studying what medicine does to the body, it basically, most powerful medicine, it's just a question of whether it cures the thing that it's trying to deal with before it kills you by destroying some other part of your body. Because every medicine, and I learned this from studying episodes of House, is terrible for your body. And yet you can give that, you can prescribe that as much as you want. And they make tons of money doing so. But we can't even study stuff like medical marijuana.
It's so frustrating.
It's a weird country we live in.